Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to create Pinterest account. Firstly, you need to open your Pinterest app. Now you will get three options to create your account. You can sign up with your email address, Facebook and with Google. Here, let's create our account with email address. Then tap on continue. Now you will be required to create your password. Then tap on next. Now you will be required to enter your full name. Then tap on next. You need to enter your date of birth. Then tap on OK. Then tap on next. You need to choose your gender. You will be asked what is your country or region. From the option you can choose your country. Then tap on next. You will be asked what are you interested in. Pick 5 to customize your home feed. Then tap on next. And this is how you create your Pinterest password. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.